Celsius. Status on this sponsorship? I mean, what do I have to do? Drink this every day. Guys, today is the day. I did it. I listened to your comments. I pulled the trigger. M3 juice is coming shortly. We're gonna record this, get my first reaction. If you can't tell, I'm a little excited. Matthew.
Yes.
He's setting up the Hasselhoff bird. Spread her wings, Matthew. Okay.
What's going on?
Jeez, Louise.
What's going on here?
Every time.
Real close.
All right, guys. What do you think? Do you approve?
I sidled you.
Do you approve? 2009 E90 M3 Alpine White, 6-speed, of course, with fox red interior.
Brown.
We can't see through. Fox brown.
It looks brown.
No.
It's chocolate. So us old timers. It looks
You wanna
brown.
hold this?
I'll hold this.
Ronin
Take
game.
Ronin. What do you think?
I don't even have any words right now. It's not even hitting me.
Look how excited he is.
It's
his
unreal.
dream car.
It's mine.
Quinn, you remember the first episode of the Power Podcast when we were talking about like hypothetical, like realistic dream cars? This was his dream car.
Like realistically, was
You
going to
lived
be
up to your word.
I did.
Yep.
I'm a man of my word.
Cheers, buddy. I mean, cheers my original seltzer.
right.
Stop and Shop brand to you.
So there's going to be a lot more of this car on the channel.
I will say this motor is exquisite.
Let's pop the hood.
Oh, you gonna make me pop the hood?
I'll get it, buddy.
This of course is why I bought this car,
That's really the only reason to buy this car.
because that's special.
It's awesome. This motor makes some very, very sweet noises up top.
Yes, it does.
I think I got chills when I was sitting
I know I got chills.
in the back seat.
That's when I knew I was going to buy it.
Yeah.
Let's see these throttle bodies.
It makes me want to like do like a hardcore NA build on my Z4.
So this car has a few mods already, as you can see. It has the DTM headlights, which kind of look like the F80, the newer BMW headlights. So I like those. I'll keep them. Kidney grill is blacked out. It has Volks on it.
Did they come on?
What size are they?
Yeah, they came on.
Let's talk about the wheels and
The
tires.
wheels. So they're 20-inch Volk VRG2s. Honestly,
Staggered.
I'll probably swap them out to maybe 19s or 18s with some more meat. I think we talked about this in the vlog, but it needs some more rubber on there.
It's smaller diameter.
And a square
They're a little
setup.
big.
Yeah.
No, I think these work with BMWs. Typically work with a little bit of stagger.
Yeah.
You can a little stagger's okay on BMW. I still run stagger on the Z4. I shortened it though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like what difference?
255 rear and a 235 front versus 255 and 225. I probably would go a little bit wider in the front if I can fit it, but this is too big of a stagger.
We'll find a good set.
Yeah.
Oh, it has tints on it. He said there were maybe 10 or 15, but I don't think they're that dark.
You can't see into this car.
Yeah, I guess you really
Oh
can't.
yeah.
This could be an issue. Yeah, it is darker than 20.
And you know what? It smells like the Jersey Shore in here.
Does it?
No, I'm just kidding.
Let's move on to the hiney shots.
Ooh, let's talk about the exhaust.
So the exhaust is modified. It has test pipes to replace the primary cats. And then Auto Couture Motoring did one of their modifications to the stock exhaust. I think they basically just, where they go into the muffler and straight pipe through the muffler.
I don't know what the hell he was saying they did. It
They
sounds
do
like
something,
they
but-
chopped this up a lot and like welded in a couple sections.
And then paint it black so you can't really see it and do stainless tips.
But are these stock tips or these bigger?
Those are MagnaFlow stainless tips.
Okay, because they look juicier than stock.
Yep.
I like the way they look.
Yeah, okay.
But we're gonna put this up on the lift after we do a quick test drive, and really see what it's all about.
Make sure it didn't hop over any curbs.
Yeah. It also has a BPM tune to it. It's a pretty basic tune that you need when you take out the primary cats. And what else does it have? That's about it, right?
I think so.
An Ibach Pro Kit.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Ibach springs. So you can still adjust the dampers and everything. I don't mind the ride height. It's even all around. There's not much gap.
Ibach does a good job for street cars.
Yeah. Yeah, for like something that you're just gonna cruise around the street.
Yeah.
And honestly, like the stock dampers were pretty well with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it felt great in
Springs,
the
like-
test drive.
Yeah. I mean, Ibach doesn't go much stiffer than what stock is, but
Yeah, I was just gonna say they usually match like the spring rate just at a lower ride height.
but M cars, like the newer M cars, came with pretty stiff valve shocks, anyways.
Yeah.
People complained a lot about these. I mean, I took the stock ones out because I'm a racer and I did coilovers, but no, this car worked pretty well on the suspension.
First thing I'm gonna do is give her a nice bath and dial this thing in.
Yeah.
But
Needs a little wash.
let's go for a quick street drive.
Like this is like one big straight right here. This thing's fucking sick.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a lot of fun.
Dude,
This motor is
that felt
fucking
great.
amazing.
I don't know what it sounds like from outside. Probably pretty nasty.
It flattens out up here, and you can romp on it.
Like right here.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Sounds nice. Just be careful that on the first to second shift. That will send us off the road. Like if you get hammer that.
Oh yes.
First time driving an E90, just fucking ripping it with a whole shot.
it's a good way to jump in it.
That's awesome.
Oh,
Dude, this engine is so rev happy. It's light.
God.
Oh yeah. I don't think I've ever done that with any car ever. Maybe at autocross,
But just jumped in and drove like that?
like in launched, like right.
Yeah. Oh, God, those little blips. Yeah, that's a great sounding engine.
This thing's fucking sick, dude. I'm jealous.
Yeah, so am I, dude.
Man, if my Z4 had a motor like this is way more exciting than the S54.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Way more.
Dude, this might be your